Hello everybody, today we're going to take a moment to unbox the Insta360 Go 3S. So if you're interested in cameras, you've probably seen this advertised a lot on Instagram and Facebook and wherever ads are shown to you because of its ability to pop out and attach to pretty much anywhere you want. And ever since I saw it, I've been really wanting it. And so for a combination of a Valentine's and anniversary present, my boyfriend pitched in because it was $770. So I paid for some of it and he pitched in as a present as well so that I could get this camera. And I'm really excited. So currently I'm filming this on my DJI Osmo Pocket and I still absolutely love this camera, but I'm looking for something as well where I can get more unique shots, and just the fact that this camera can become so tiny is perfect. So I'm going to Japan very soon, in less than a month, and there's a lot of stores that have do not film signs, and even when I'm walking past, I feel very awkward, but I kind of want to show little glimpses of stores, and if I'm ordering a coffee, I want to get that first person view, but I feel really awkward holding a camera right in front of me. So this camera actually comes with a necklace attachment where you wear it under your clothes and then the camera just snaps on. So I'm really excited to open it up and just check everything out. So without further ado, let's see what's in the box. I don't know what I was expecting. It's a little bit heavier than I thought. It's not heavy, don't get me wrong, but it's definitely weighted. this is my filming setup. Here we go. So I'm now filming this on the Insta360 Go 3S. So it's a very nice wide angle here. I feel like there's a slight delay between the screen. I'll show you. See the delay? Let's reset and see if it fixes that. No, there's a slight delay between real life and the little screen, but I suppose you only really use this screen to make sure that your shot is lined up when this is detached. So I don't see that as too much of an issue. And it does make sense seeing as it's pretty much only connected between, like maybe it's Bluetooth connection, I don't know, because it's not plugged in, there's just a magnet. Can you see the camera? It is right here. So that's cool. Let's go and see where else we can attach it to. And this is our shot. It's a bit dark out here, but we can get a really good like cleaning shot, you know, or cooking, cleaning. So the battery on this that it came with is almost depleted, so I'm going to take that as a sign to end the video now. I am so excited for like the potential of this camera and like to see what kind of creative shots I can get just because it's so portable, and this bit here is waterproof as well. So like I don't even know, there's too many ideas that I can't put them into words. So I'm really excited to try vlogging with this, try and get some nice shots. Hello. But I am going to leave it here for now. Let me know if you have this camera, if you've been advertised this camera. Oh, and my YouTube background video ended as well, so it definitely is a good time to go. So thank you guys so much for spending this moment with me and watching this unboxing and first impression video. And I hope to see you all in the next one. I would recommend watching this one right here. This is the unboxing for my Osmo Pocket 3, and I think you're going to like it if you like this video. So make sure you click right here. Or you can click my little face here and subscribe, because that would be awesome. I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We can do it. All right, bye guys.